nutshell, my beloveds, that's how you manifest what you want. Hey, my beautiful beloveds, and welcome back. Today is the day. Oh my God, I'm so excited. You guys have been so patient and waiting for this vision board video, and it's finally here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vision board that really works. You guys, I'm a master at making vision boards that work. I'm going to show you why it's important, and I'm going to show you several different kinds of vision boards you can use. One type of vision board is a digital vision board. Very, very easy. You guys can make it on Instagram. You can make it just on your phone or your computer. And the other is a physical vision board. You can either do a poster board or, as you guys can see here, the mother of all vision boards, I call it my vision wall. It's made from canvases. The whole vision for this was I wanted something that was that encompassed and circled our beautiful love map. So the love map is the centerpiece of my vision wall. And then, of course, we have all of these here and all of these here. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and get started so we can help you make the vision board that works. All right, my beloveds, the very first step in making a vision board that really works is deciding what categories of life you want to put your focus on. What do you want to manifest? Now, there's many, many different categories that you can choose from. One of the things I did was, of course you guys know, I love my Clever Fox. And so one of the things it has is 8 categories of life. And what I did, I'm going to give you, in case you don't have a Clever Fox, I'm going to give you those categories. So go get your pen. You guys ready? So health and fitness, business and career, family and friends, relationships, love and romance, finances, personal development, fun and recreation, and spiritual. So the next thing I did was I literally wrote down what I want my vision board to be, what categories of life I'm working with. So I went to my the month of May, which I'm working on here, and I wrote down all of my different categories. So as you guys can see right here, love, wealth and money, career, health and fitness, friends, family and social, travel, home, self-improvement and growth, and fashion and beauty. So that's the first thing, because you have to know what categories you want to work on for your vision board. So once you write that down, the next thing you want to do is you're going to go to your computer. Google is literally our best friend here. And what I want you guys to do is you're going to go ahead, open up Google, and you're going to type in, let's say you want to travel. So for me, I wanted to go to Tahiti, and so I Google in Tahiti, and these beautiful photos show up. So what I do is I pick the ones I like, as you guys can see here, and I save them in a little folder. Now, of course, you can also use magazines if you'd like. Feel free to do that. And you can cut out words, you can cut out phrases, you can cut out photos. There's no reason why you can't do that. But I highly recommend Google because it's such a specific search. It's going to make your life really, really easy. That's step 2. Step 3 is when you pick the photos. This is really, really, this is probably the most important thing of a vision board. Don't just pick a photo because it's pretty. Pick photos for your vision board that when you look at it, it literally gets you excited. It elicits passion. It makes you feel like, yes, this is exactly what I want. This is what I want to create in my life. Yes, this is, and like when you look at the photo, it should give you goosebumps, or it should make you give you butterflies in your stomach. There should be some sort of physical response, like a positive physical response. If you can find photos that do that, that's what works. So in fact, let's talk for a second about how vision boards actually work. The mind cannot tell, and the heart cannot tell the difference between reality or the imagination. And our imaginations are so powerful. You guys know I talk about the law of attraction all the time. I have literally been using vision boards to manifest what I want, and the law of attraction as well as the other universal laws, since I was in grade school. And it would literally be 5 more videos where I would be telling you guys stories of all the things I've manifested just from using this technique of vision boards. They really work. So the brain and the heart now go, yes, this is what I want. And then what happens is you put it in a place where you can see it all the time, be it your smartphone. That's one place where you can have your digital vision board. You can have a digital vision board as your wallpaper on your computer, or you can do a poster board that you just set in your bedroom or set in your office and you have it there, whiteboard. Some people do whiteboards. Or you can do what I'm doing, which is literally the mother of all vision boards, where I have canvases that look like a work of art on my wall. And of course, I have it in between our beautiful love map. So you guys are literally the centerpiece of my vision board for this year, because I love you guys so much. Cool? So those are the keys behind how it works. Now, back to step 3, going to Google, picking the photos, putting them in your folder. Now the 4th step is you want to go either to, and this isn't a necessary step, but it really is helpful in organizing your vision board to really make it beautiful and make it so that when you look at it, it really gets you excited. And you can either use Photoshop or you can use a free app called GIMP. Either way, you take the size of whatever your poster board is, or whatever your canvas is, whatever your wallpaper is going to be, if you're going to put it digitally. And you take the photos and you import them in, just drag them in, and then size them and put them on either Photoshop or GIMP exactly where you want them. And again, when you look at this mock-up of the vision board you're creating for yourself, it should get you excited. When I was working on mine, I literally took a whole evening and I did all 6 of the categories that I'm working on. I think I actually have 8 categories. And what I did was I put it in there and I didn't stop, rearranging things until I looked at it and said, yes, this gets me excited. I could look at this every single day. This makes me want to take action to go and make this happen. And that's what you guys really, really want. The next thing you're going to do, my beloveds, is you're going to print this out. So now you actually have the photos printed out. After you print them out, you can either take them to a place like a print shop, or I took mine to Kinko's, FedEx Kinko's, which they have here in the States, where they have a professional paper cutter. And you literally just put the photo that you printed out and you just trim it, and it makes it literally look like a piece of art. It's exact, it's perfect, and what's great about that, it's not necessary, but when your eye looks at it, it just helps with the whole process of seeing it, getting excited about it, and then helping you manifest it. So the prettier you make it, the nicer it is, the more you're going to want to look at it. Or you can just use scissors if you'd like. Now, if you actually do what I was saying in Photoshop or GIMP, where you actually lay it out, the next thing you do, you guys can see I have all my photos here. I put them in order of how they appear on the vision board. As you guys can see, it's so easy to do. If you put them in order, you just pop them on your vision board just the way they are in your little Photoshop or GIMP, the way you set them up. And it just makes the whole process really, really easy. Now it's the time for magic. We're actually going to take the photos that we created and we're going to put them on the canvas. As you guys can see, I've already been filling my canvases up, and I saved one just to show you how to do it. So we're going to take our photos, and if you're using a canvas, you use Elmer's glue. If you're using a poster board, you can use a glue stick, but glue stick does not work on canvas. I learned that the hard way. All right, so watch this. Take my little Elmer's glue, put it in a little container, swirl it around like that, and we go like that. Like that, and like that. You place it exactly where you want it. There I am. La voila. Mwah. Bellissima. Let's do the next one. See how easy this is? This is you guys. This is you guys. It's literally that simple. So let's go ahead, finish this up, pop it on the wall, and we're complete. All right, my beloveds, now that we've put all the photos onto the vision board, we're going to Now let me go ahead and tell you what each of these are. This is travel. This is learning new things, and also dancing and adventures and friends. career, you guys are on here, world tour, and all sorts of other fun things. Sports Illustrated, Dancing with the Stars, building our community, coming and speaking for you guys. Of course, the love map is in the middle of all this love. Love, these are all really, really beautiful, loving relationships that other couples model in the world. Every time I look at this, I say, yes, look at how beautiful this is what I want. Then, of course, ideal home and ideal body, flexibility, and modeling. And that's it. The only other thing you have to do after that is you just look at them every single day. And this is a really important point. When you look at the photos, I don't want you to look at the photos like, oh, I don't have that. Because a lot of people fall into that trap. They make these beautiful vision boards, and then when they look at them, they go, well, I don't have that. That's really depressing. No, boo-boos. Don't do that. I want you, the whole reason the vision board works is you have to look at it, feel the excitement. Literally, remember I told you that we attract what we want when we vibrate at the same frequency? If you're here, down here, sad about what you don't have, you'll never bring it to you. But what the vision board does is it raises your vibrational frequency to a level of passion, excitement, joy, love, gratitude, appreciation. And when you are looking at it from that energetic field of gratitude and excitement and joy, and as if I already have this feels so exciting to have. I'm waking up every morning and I'm looking at these beautiful pictures. This is the beloved I'm calling into my life right now. This is the career I'm calling into my life. These are the places I want to go travel. This is what I want my physical body to look like. These are the things I want to learn. This is my spiritual growth. This is the places I want to contribute in the world. When you look at all these things from a place of excitement and gratitude, in a nutshell, my beloveds, that's how you manifest what you want. If you didn't hear anything else in my video but that sentence, and you just did that sentence, you are golden. We are golden. We are golden. I promise you, you are good to go. So what the vision board does is use the magic of the universe, which is available to us at all times, my beloved, and it plugs us in to that magic, utilizing how our human bodies, our mental capacity, our emotional capacity, and our physical capacities, and our spiritual capacities, how that works by looking at photos, by looking at phrases, and by looking at words. And if you do this, my beloveds, the way that I'm sharing with you, I promise you, you will manifest what you want. And you better message me and let me know. Take pictures of what you manifest, celebrate me with what you manifest, tag me with what you manifest, and we will all celebrate together. Because remember what I say, with my beautiful love map, with this love map and all of us, we create a vortex of infinite possibility. And together, because we literally do circle the globe, as each one of us puts our victories of what we've manifested into this vortex of infinite possibility, we lift all of us up together, and the manifestation becomes so much easier. I'm going to tell you this, my beloveds. One of my manifestations for my career is to get this beautiful channel to 100,000. And of course, it'd be great to get to 1 million. But the reason I want to do that is the more of us there are here on our YouTube channel, on my Instagram page, the more powerfully we can all raise each other up and manifest what we want. So I want you guys to hold that vision with me as I hold my vision, as I hold your visions for you guys. And by the way, as we're saying our goodbyes, because we're holding that vision, I want you guys to like, I want you guys to subscribe if you're not already, and I want you guys to share. If you're loving these videos, if you love the content that we're creating here, please share with your friends and family. Let them know, because this is a great place for sharing how to manifest the life of our dreams. And of course, we welcome all your beautiful new friends and family with open arms. So, all right, my beloveds, well, this is how you do a vision board. How you do a vision board mentally and emotionally, how you physically make a vision board, and also how you manifest what you want in your life. All right, my beloveds, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Promise me that you'll go and make a vision board for yourself. Don't just watch this video and go, oh, that was really nice. That's very creative. Good for her. I don't care if you make one this small. I don't care if you make a little one for your phone. When we actually put a vision board into practice, one that really sets our heart on fire, that's how we truly manifest the life of our dreams. And that's what I want, my beloveds, for all of you. Message me below. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what you've manifested and what actually has happened, what miracles have happened since you did your vision board. And let's see, I think that's it. Besides, I love you guys so much. And I will see you guys next week. Ciao.